Hello and welcome to Celestial Space Facts. Welcome to the computerized telescope series, and here is the fifth one, Mayday Instruments ETX 125 Observer. You can see our playlist section for more telescope reviews, best computerized telescope reviews on our channel, Celestial Space Facts. Let's get started. Aperture is 127 mm, focal length is 1900 mm, motorized yes, mount type alt azimuth. Overall, the ETX 125 model from Mayday Instruments, it's great option if you are starting your astronomy journey. The Audio Star Controller computer features not only a celestial object database but 4 hours of audio content for educational purposes. This popular scope has been refreshed with the latest technology and is the best computerized telescope for the mobile astronomy. The design makes it extremely portable and easy to set up. If you want to take your telescope while traveling, this instrument is ideal for you. It includes two 1.25-inch Super PLOS eyepieces. If you are looking for a refractor telescope design from Mayday, you can check the Star Navigator NG102mm. Mount: great dual fork arm design with a motorized alt as go-to mount, comes with a sturdy stainless steel tripod. Computer: the Audio Star Controller is a great computer to start with. 4 hours of audio for education purposes. It has a 30,000 celestial object database and is really easy to operate. Portability: of course, being a smaller telescope, the advantage of portability. Great dual fork arm designed with the motorized computer. Portability: of course, being a smaller telescope, the advantage of portability is clear, but Mayday excels with the design, making also really easy to set up. This is by far our choice if you plan to travel a lot with your telescope and you need a compact and lightweight product. Aperture: the object has 5 inches aperture. You can expect close-up views of moon and planets, or go for stunning views of star clusters and nebula. But you will definitely be more limited regarding what the more advanced scope can offer. Optics is 85%, mount is 94%, quality is 85%. Focal length is the ETX 125 comes with a 1900 mm focal length, f/15 focal ratio. Pros: things we liked: extremely portable, easy to set up, quality optics by Mayday. Cons: smaller celestial objects database. I hope you get to know about this topic from Celestial Space Facts. Interested people, please spread the educational and knowledgeable videos on our channel, and you can check the playlist for other computerized telescope review. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Celestial Space Facts, and please ignore the disturbance or the voice coming from behind. Thank you so much.